Hey Project Dreamers! Today we're making something super cool. Custom wooden signs for two amazing 7-year-old twin boys. We're bringing their favorite superhero, Spider-Man, to life with our Onefinity CNC and some vibrant paint. Let's dive in. We started with VCarve Pro to design these personalized signs. Each sign includes a Spider-Man graphic and the child's name at the bottom. For carving, we used the Onefinity CNC, powered by the PwnCNC spindle system. It handled every detail like a pro. We used a 1/4" 90-degree V-bit for the detailed work, then switched to an 1/8" bit for those intricate details. The results speak for themselves. Just look at those clean lines. The first step is to seal the project. We chose to spray the Spider-Man design black, which will be the background color that will really make this artwork pop. Once painted and dried, we took 280 grit sandpaper and sanded the top layer. It's not critical to remove all the paint given the colors we're going to be adding, which will easily cover the black. Here you can see a perfect example of what your project should look like before and after sanding the top layer. If you're not interested in painting your project, you can see here that leaving it spray painted black and sanded would still look really great as a completed project. But we're going to add color to bring Spider-Man to life a bit. This part took the longest, but it was so worth it. We used sign painter's paint called One Shot. We've put the link in the description below. But we were really looking for a vibrant art piece that would really stand out for these two boys. Quick tip, if you really want to make lettering stand out, we used our Sharpie paint pens to outline the letters. This provides a level of detail, giving the project a finished look. Now, we intentionally slowed down the video here to show you how time-consuming it can be to paint projects like this. Don't be disillusioned, we want you to tackle these projects if you wish, but sometimes it's nice to see it being done in real time. Once both pieces have been painted, we sealed everything with quite a few coats of urethane for durability and a nice glossy finish. As it stands now, this also could be the final product. However, our goal was to make this have a really nice finished look to it, so we framed the piece of art with 1 by 3/4" ash. Here we're cutting the rabbit, which will hold the project in place in the frame. Before assembling the pieces we cut out, we stained each one in Minwax ebony stain and let it dry overnight. After the pieces dried, we took them over to the miter saw and cut the corners at a 45-degree angle. The frame was fastened to the artwork using glue and secured using pin nails. Once the frame was in place, we added a couple clamps to let it dry overnight.
One down and one to go. Well, that didn't take long. We're gonna let the glue dry, and I think tomorrow I'll clean up the frame a bit and do some touch up with some stain, and then apply one more coat of spar varnish over the frame and seal it all in. And this project will be done. Now it's appropriate that I'm not in the spotlight, and yet these two Spider-Man posters are. This was a challenging project, not for the CNC cutting or the designing, but more the artistic ability of me painting them. But what kept me going is knowing that these two posters are going to hang on the bedrooms of two 7-year-old twin boys. I couldn't be more excited, and what a great gift this will make for their Christmas holiday.
As we wrap up this journey, we want to express how incredible it's been working with our Onefinity CNC machine. This was essential in bringing our project to life, providing the precision and reliability to turn our vision into a reality. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more projects like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more CNC creative projects. Thanks for watching, and keep dreaming big with us here at the Project Dreamers channel.